Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a absolutely stunning Honda md90. This is one of the best condition md90s that I've seen, and we've seen quite a few. We've seen up to nearly 100 of these bikes, so this would definitely be up there with the best. Super clean, all the nice original things. Even has this original tarp, so this tarp would go up and over the front here and will protect whatever you have in the front from getting wet. So starting from the front tire is good. Front mudguard is in nice condition. As you can see all the way through, it's actually really good. The alloy is absolutely minty. All around the side here, plastics are exceptionally good. Looks like they haven't even seen a rock chip. Mud flap there present. Engine cover and gasket here all look really clean and fresh the whole way through. Chain guard is present, even the little cap for doing your chain lube is there. The side panels are mint, same with the seat. Underneath the seat is mint. Little bit of chafing here from probably a back box that was on the rear. This actually has the smaller rear rack. Some of them come with a larger one that's been fitted. 2010 model. Rear tire is perfect. A little bit of scuffing here at the rear. Original Goshi Honda 90 exhaust. Engine cover casing here. Side panel. Everything is really clean. Look how clean the rear wheel is. And the alloy itself. Only 15,000 kilometers. These come with heated grips as stock from factory. They're used as postal service, general post service in Japan, and there's two nice original keys that come with it, if I can get it to focus. Anyway, that's it for this beautiful Honda md90. Let's go for a spin.
Okay, now we're on to the Honda md90, and then we're going to be doing the gaggle of Super Cubs with the tacked on the side. But anyway, let me turn off the grips. This is an absolutely mint Honda md90. It's a carburetor that's completely from cold. First time. I'll turn on the grips, but I already know that they're absolutely roasting. They burn. You actually have to turn them off because they absolutely burn the hand off you. But you don't have to put them all the way up to the high, I guess. Maybe that's my issue. But I really like this bike. I used this bike, or I used a md90 for commuting for about 3 months, and I would say it's probably up there with the best commuter bikes ever, because, and I'd say it's better than the Super Cub, because what you call it, it's better than the Super Cub because I can tell you why. Because it's bigger for me, for one. The front has a lot more carrying capacity along with the rear. I should put a rear back box on it. Let me just check the fuel. There, choke was on. I knew something wasn't right. So turn the choke off. And it feels much better. But yeah, no, the actual commuting of this bike was far better than anything else I'd had, even 125s and everything. It's well capable of about 85 kilometers an hour. God, the bloody hands are getting burned off me. Turn that off. Really good hand grips though, which is great during the winter. The miles per gallon or liters per kilometer or whatever it is you want to go by is absolutely outstanding. If you want to look it up online, you can. I don't know the number off the top of my head. You can Google it. But I remember it taking about €6 worth, or I think it was actually €9 worth of fuel, and I would get 2 or 3 weeks out of commuting in and out of work on this thing out of that. So really exceptional. You have the nice front headlamp, which is actually in a better position, I think, for just safety, just because you can be seen a bit more easy. And overall it's just an absolutely superb machine, and this one is just in such good nice nick. that you'd be proud to be going in and out of work on this thing and showing it. It's a real gem, you know, because these were used for the postal service, so a lot of them are well used. So when you get one like this where it looks almost new and the paint is just brilliant on it, it's a real treat. But absolutely flawless. I knew something was up. I was like, oh, this doesn't feel am I on reserve fuel or what's going on? Choke was on, so once I turned that off, all the power came back into me. The brakes feel really good. There you go. Nearly launched over the top of the handlebars into neutral, nice and easy. Put her up on the main stand. There's a side stand as well. But that's what an MD90 rides like. Super comfortable. Another thing I want to mention as well is that the because the front and rear reinforced front shocks, they ride an awful lot better. They're going over little bumps in the road or anything like that. It's much more smoother ride than a C90. And the chunkier tires, smaller, chunkier tires make it that bit nicer as well. But we'll go over the electrics now. So we have our horn. We have our left indicator at the front, left indicator at the rear, right indicator at the front, right indicator at the rear. We have the brake light working, and we have the front headlamp working as well. Let me just get the high beam. So low beam and high beam all working nicely. So that's it. That's what a Honda MD90, and that's an exceptionally good example of what a Honda MD90 should be. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.